मौजूदा वीडियो 10वीं जमात की इंग्लिश के यूनिट 1 ख़वातीन यतीमों और ग़ुलामों के हक़ूक़ के लिए हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की समाजी इस्लाहात के अहम तरीन सवालात और जवाबात पर मुश्तमिल है।
What was the social condition of women, orphans and slaves in pre-Islamic Arabia? Answer: women had very few rights, orphans were neglected, and slaves were treated unfairly without respect. Two. What are the three rights given to women by Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Answer: Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave women inheritance rights, marriage consent, and the right to fair treatment. Three. What role did the Quran play in social reforms? Answer: the Quran guided people towards justice and protected the rights of women, orphans, and weaker members. How did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam promote the emancipation of slaves? Answer: he encouraged people to free slaves, respect them, and treat their freedom as a noble deed. Five. What steps did Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam take to ensure the humane treatment of slaves? Answer: Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught people to treat slaves kindly and provide proper food and clothing. Six. What values of his reforms are still relevant today? Answer: his teachings of justice, equality, kindness, and respect remain important for peaceful and fair societies today.